VR Tools is a collection of custom-designed nylon plastic products for use in virtual reality mechanic training simulation. Each product within the VR Tools collection is designed to have the look and feel of a real tool that a mechanic would use in his or her daily work. And the collection comes packed in a heavy-duty carrying case for ease of transport. While the VR tools themselves are non-functional as actual mechanics tools, they are one-to-one scale replicas and add an extra level of realism to virtual training by allowing the trainee to use the tool itself as the controller. Currently, the VR Tools collection contains a screwdriver, a combination wrench, a torque wrench, and a pneumatic drill. And each tool has an attachment point that allows for the user to affix a compatible VR tracking device. When the trackers are affixed and assigned their respective roles within the training software, the trainee will be able to see in virtual reality the representation of the VR tool that they hold in their hand. Adding VR tools to a mechanics training simulation increases the value of the simulation by giving trainees the physical practice they need to become more efficient in performing the tasks that their job demands, but in a safe, controlled, and cost-effective manner.